Short of the classes, and today we are solving ISI MSQMS paper QMA 2025. So here we are having the question number 4. So we have to solve. We are being given this expression and we have to solve for, okay. So here we are given the expression, the form being summation of n 1 by n plus 1 root n plus n root n plus 1. So the general term being 1 by n plus 1 root n plus n root n plus 1. So here we have to rationalize the denominator. Okay. So here for that we will multiply the denominator and the numerator by the conjugate. So 1 by n plus 1 root n plus root n plus 1 n. So that is multiplied by n plus 1 root n minus n root n plus 1 by n plus 1 root n minus n root n plus 1. And then what will be my numerator? N plus 1 root n minus n root n plus 1. And then my denominator becomes, denominator is n plus 1 root n square minus n root n plus 1 square. So that is n plus 1 square n minus n square n plus 1. So that is n plus 1 square minus n square n plus 1. So that is n plus 1 n plus 1 minus n. So that is n plus 1 multiplied by 1. So then finally the term becomes n plus 1 root n minus n root n plus 1 by n plus 1. So that is root n by n. So that minus root n plus 1 by n plus 1. So the full sum will become a telescoping series, like the full sum is summation of n 1 to 99 root n by n minus root n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is a telescoping series. Okay. So now we have to evaluate this. So root 1 by 1 minus root 2 by 2 plus root 2 by 2 minus root 3 by 3 plus dot 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 plus root 99 by 99 minus root 100 by 100. So all intermediate term cancels and we are left with root 1 by 1 minus root 100 by 100. That is 1 minus 10 by 100. That is 1 minus 1 by 10. So finally we come with 9 by 10. So the correct option is option B.